What's up guys, Thomas here, TV Rc-Xtreme, G-Pit, Traxxas Mini XRT here. It's hot as F. I think it's like 26, 25, 26 degrees, something like that. Just gonna play around there Sunday, midday. Since you all know I'm hopefully sucks at ramp sessions. As you can see, we'll probably not even hit it if it was like 450 meters wide. But practice is a good thing. What a beautiful day. Hej hå, till bilen vi ska gå. Flat landing at its finest. Yep. We don't wanna continue to bash. We bent front shock, that's for sure. Shaft. Well, it's in one piece. That's a good sign. But the lack of front suspension now gonna make it quite hard to drive, so I'm just gonna end this. It was never my intention to do that kind of flat, but I actually hit the ramp this time. Felt awesome, that's for sure. Well, I've made it up to the car, like my dear friend Mr. Aldo says. Well, everything besides that bent front shock, both front are bent. Problem is those tires are a little bit, but that's not the case. Anyway, that have been unscrewed. Okay. Well, seems to be in one piece besides those two. And the car is of course upgraded with a quick run G2 3660, 3700 kV, 4 LCC, Fetava receiver, running 3S. Freaking awesome.